One of the things that often happens with addictions is that it breaks the trust of the people we love. It breaks trust maybe in our marriage or in our partnership or with our parents or with our friends. And reestablishing this trust isn't always very easy. I think our friends and our partners often will have a lot of anxiety. Is this the time they drink? Is that the time? When's it gonna happen? Kind of waiting for the shoe to drop. And I think for the one who's recovering, it can be frustrating when you were really working so hard at your sobriety. It can feel like, why don't they just believe me? I wanna tell you about a tool that can be so helpful in providing this transparency to the ones that you love and you care about as you're on your path to sobriety and as you're working to rebuild trust in your relationships. It's called Soberlink. It's an electronic breathalyzer. It has facial recognition. There's no way of cheating. It can be programmed to remind you when you need to blow, and it can also send your results to anybody you desire, whether it's your partner, your parents, your friends, or your sobriety team or medical professionals. I encourage you to check it out. This isn't easy work, but I know you can do it, and I know Soberlink is a wonderful addition to your path towards sobriety.